Here is a question from the most recent UPSC CSE Prelims from ancient India on the topic Sangam literature. And let us see how through a logical loophole you can get the answer correctly. Now, for a second, you imagine yourself being very knowledgeable in history, very knowledgeable in Sangam literature, Sangam poetry, like our history teacher Santanam. Now, if you are good to go through these options, option A pertains to Sangam poems, option C to Sangam poems, option D about Sangam literature. So being very knowledgeable, you will either know whether these statements are correct or not. But if you're looking at statement B here, which states the social classification of Varna was known to Sangam poets, whether it was in their minds or not, howsoever knowledgeable you are of literature or of history, this is something that you will not be able to deny because you don't know what was in the minds of the Sangam poets at that point in time. Therefore, this option cannot be eliminated. Therefore, it's got to be the correct answer.